Good morning, my lovely people. Coming to you from Kenya, East Africa. Yes, as you can see behind me, that's a banana. That's a farm. That's a banana plantation. That's a farm. There are maize. There are greens. There are vegetables, bananas, and everything. All kinds of, call them herbs if you want, but African traditional vegetables. Yeah, behind me there. So Ken Must Live is the YouTube channel, guys. Ken Must Live is the YouTube channel. And today I'm just want to show you the cow shed, the cow pen. Yeah, and a milking bay is being built. Yeah, milking area next to the cow shed. So kindly subscribe, be posted, share. Yeah, it's morning, guys. Yeah, it's morning. The sun has just come out. Yeah, you can hear the birds chirping in the background. So this is the cow pen, the cow shed, the cow feeding area. Yes, they are feeding. That's how they are feeding, guys. Yes, cow feeding, cow feeding. No, don't eat this one. No, no, no. Yeah, you eat your napier grass there. Yes, guys. Oh yeah. So this, sorry. So that's how they feed. It's early morning. They feed. So this is how they drain. No, I'm just here. Just eat, feed. Feed your napier grass. Feed on your napier grass. Sorry, down there it's very messy, very messy. So that's how it is, guys. So let me watch my steps so that I don't fall down. Okay. Yeah. So and here. Oh yes. So here we are constructing a milking bay, milking area for the cows, so that when it rains, they are protected. So the construction is still ongoing. We are waiting to see the finished product, the final product. So the cows that are being milked will go to the milking shed, milking pen. Yeah, that's how the construction is ongoing. Yes, it's slanting, so that when it rains, it slants. Yeah, the right hand side is slightly lower than the left hand side, so that it gets the gradient, so that when it rains, the rainwater doesn't collect on the roof. It goes down, it flows to the ground. Yes, guys, an African home in the heart of the village. Typical village life. Yes. So we are constructing. This is the napier grass where it's being stored, guys. Napier grass for the cows and the calf. Yes. And in here is where the cows sleep. Yeah, this is where they sleep. That's firewood. That's the calf feeding. That's the calf feeding, guys. And the cows sleep in here. Yes, they sleep in here. One here. Sorry, guys. And the other one here. Then this is their poo. In Africa, we don't throw away these ones. They're the manure, organic manure. And some areas they're used for constructing houses. Yeah, the cow poo. Yeah. Yes, so this is where the cows sleep at night. And there is where they feed during the day, and the milking pen is being built. And this is how we do our utensils. Yeah, that's how we do our utensils. Those are the cooking pots, sufurias, they're called sufurias, cooking pots, the stainless steel. Then you put them on this table. This table is called a rack. It's just a normal rack. So down here you put the cooking pots so that they get dry. That's how it's done. These are rack, utensils rack. Yeah, so that the sun dries them. This is the milking bucket. So that's how we do it here in Africa. She's cooking the cooking pot. Sufurias, they're called sufurias here. Yes, that one was used for boiling. These are a washing bowl, stainless steel. The Western countries or even some main hostels, they use this stainless steel bowl in the hostels. But now here, it's meant for kitchen, for washing hands and utensils. Then she rinses it off. That's how we rinse it. The cooking pot, we rinse it. That's the first round of rinsing, guys. First round of rinsing. Yeah, then it's placed on the other end. Yes, that's how we do it. And then they are aired on the rack, on the utensils rack. They are aired on the utensils rack. Then they just dry on their own. There are no dishwashers here. There are no machines for washing dishes here, guys. That's how we do it. And that's a guava tree. They're under a guava tree. That's a guava tree. Yes, guys. So this is our way of doing things in Africa. No machines. We literally do it using our own hands. Yes. In the heart of Africa, in the heart of Kenya. Yeah, that's how we do our utensils, guys. Yes, that's the final rinsing. That's the final rinsing. And it's placed on the utensils rack. That's how you do it. Yes. That's how you do it. Okay. Sorry, guys. That's a log. It's very, very heavy. That's a log. They're almost. It was 8 feet. Just some few inches. Then it gets into line. It's aligned by the roof. So it's work in progress. So we are carrying on here. The cow pen, the cow shed for milking. Yeah, when it rains, when it's hot. Yeah. That's the roof. The roof, it's taking shape. We're almost done. Yes. The fundis are now the construction guys. They're having breakfast. Yes. Tea and they're having breakfast. Tea and pumpkin. Yes. That's pumpkin guys. African traditional delicacy. Pumpkin. That's tea. Tea. Pumpkin. Fundis workers are almost done. They're taking a break and breakfast too. Iko tu sawa, tutaoga. So the cow comes in here, stops there. The cow comes in there. Then the milking person comes in through this door. Yes, and walks in. Yes, the cow is there. One of the cows that's over there being milked comes and is pegged here or tied here. Then the milking person milks here, doing the milking. Yes, and the calf is tied here. The calf, because the calf has to what? To be to be breasted. Yes, before the mother is milked. So this is the milking pen. Milking pen. Yeah, the milking pen is almost done. The milking shed is done. That's the milking shed. It's done, guys. The milking shed is done. Yeah. That's the milking shed. It's done, guys. Milking shed, milking pen, milking bay. The shed. Calf area. Cow area. Milking person's area. Yes. Yes. And renovating the older one. The feeding area is being renovated. The feeding area is being renovated, guys. Milking pen, milking shed, feeding area being renovated.
Yeah, like a boss.
Yeah, like a boss. Sit like a boss.
Yeah, like a boss. I don't know.
You're like a boss. Yes. Drying maize in the sun. Drying maize in the sun. Washing clothes. Yes, washing clothes, African wear. Yes. shape, guys. It's taking shape. We're almost doing the roof. The roofing is almost being done. The roofing is almost being done. The cow shed, the feeding area. Cow shed. Stroke feeding area, guys. These people are very strong. These construction guys are very, very strong, guys. They're experienced and very strong. If you look at the body size and the amount of work that they do, guys, you can't imagine. You can't imagine. And they are working very fast, very, very fast. Strong man here, strong man at Marwa, strong man 254. Strong man here. Physically fit, man. Strong man here. Strong man 254. It has taken shape, guys. It has taken shape. It's done. It's complete. Feeding area is now complete, guys. It has been renovated. It has been renovated, guys. So the rains won't affect them anymore. It's done, guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and share. Ken Must Live is the YouTube channel. Sorry for the noise, guys. Men at work. Ken Must Live is the YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Let's grow the child, lovely people. Behind there is the farm. It's almost about to rain.